How to use the media pool in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and look at the bottom of the interface to locate the Edit tab. Then, click on it to enter the editing workspace. You will find the media pool in the top left corner of the screen. This is where all your imported media like videos, audio, and images are stored for easy access while editing. Next, to import files into the media pool, right-click inside the pool area and select Import Media, or simply drag and drop files directly from your computer. When you import clips, DaVinci Resolve might ask if you want to change the project settings to match the media. If you are working with clips of a different resolution or frame rate, it's a good idea to click Change. After importing, you can organize your media using bins. Right-click in the media pool and choose Add Bin to create folders. This helps keep your files structured, especially when working on large projects with multiple clips. You can also preview your clips directly in the media pool by hovering over them or double-clicking to open in the source viewer. This makes it easy to review and mark in and out points before dragging clips onto the timeline. If you ever want to remove media, just right-click the file and choose Remove Selected Clip. It won't delete the file from your computer, only from the media pool, keeping your project clean. And that's it. Now you know how to use the media pool in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.